Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you have problem with your Ghost Touch on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, you just need to, first thing you need to try, just wait for restart on your iPhone. So just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these two buttons. So just wait until you will see Apple logo. So now just release two fingers from these two buttons, it means that you successfully made force restart. So mostly it helps, but also I will show to you next solution you can also try on your iPhone to fix your error. So let's try. Let's wait until our system will load and I will show it to you. So now I will write passcode and also open the settings, and in the settings we need to find general, and in the general just scroll down to reset, just open reset and just try to reset all settings. So just tap on reset all settings and just submit it. So I hope that one of these two methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.